Movements like blades, short, sharp, deliberate. She is angry, raging against her reality. I'm doing this meditation by Sarah Blondin about anger because I'm trying not to lose my shit. I just got laid off on fucking Zoom. He said, we don't have enough money. I am the vice president of finance. You think I don't know how much money we have? It's sexism. It's sexism, and I can't prove it. Even like if I followed him around with a tape recorder. But it's like everywhere and nowhere. I can't prove it. It just makes me want to blow shit up. And I'm like tempted to tell you stories to like prove it. And then I get pissed off because I don't want to be defensive. I believe me. I want you to just fucking believe me. But I don't want to blow shit up. That's why I'm doing this fucking meditation. Movements like blades, short, sharp, deliberate. She is angry, raging against her reality. And I keep being surprised that I like this meditation. Sarah Blondin. You know, I'm more like an Audre Lorde kind of person. The master's tools cannot dismantle the master's house. And here I am with this master's tool, my phone, and this app, you know, doing nothing but like listening to this mainstream woman. Before I tried meditation, I tried running. It's January 2000. I live in Maine. It's 5 a.m. My baby daughter and my wife are still asleep. I love gear as much as I love running. I have these tights and these wind pants and these awesome shoes with nubs on them so that I don't slip on the ice. It is fucking cold out here. 19 degrees. It feels so good. It's so serene, you know, like, and it's beautiful too. It just snowed last night, and there's no snowplow, hasn't come. Even the garbage is beautiful, you know, the snow just covers it up a little bit. It's not like the anger goes away, but maybe it's like diluted or something. Maybe it's just because I feel so powerful. That car is the first car I've seen. I usually just like being out here by myself, but I was rolling down his window. Nice ass! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! What? You deserved it. Okay. Movements like blades. Short, sharp, deliberate. She is angry, raging against her reality. I fucking hate Sarah Blondin. This whole meditation, she's comparing this, it's called like the warring one versus the infinite one. And she's comparing these two women, right? One of them is angry, and she burns down cities and kills people in the name of her values. And then the other one is like soft and has long white hair and like, you know, is serene. And I don't know. I don't know which one I want to be. I like the idea of serenity. I like the idea of being angry. But, you know, it's a little bit stressful. You think you're the most important thing in my life. You told me at 8 that you were going to be here between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. and it's 4:59. I've been waiting here all day long, and you just now call me to tell me you're not coming? Fuck you, AT&T. Fuck AT&T. I told you to get out all of the orders, not some of the orders, not most of the orders, all of the orders. Do your fucking job. Oh, first you want to complain that I don't help, and now you want to complain how I help? You want to complain how I load the dishwasher? I just do whatever you want, and all you do is whine and bitch and complain. Fuck you, you do not appreciate me, fuck you. You're letting me off, Ethan? You're letting me off? Gotta meditate. Movements like blades. Short, sharp, deliberate. She is angry, raging against her reality. I'm trapped. I'm either a bitch or a pushover. This is me at 9 years old. Mary Louise, you are going to eat everything on that plate. I don't care if you're not hungry. I don't care if you don't like them. You are going to eat everything. I work and work my fingers to the bones, and you girls never appreciate anything. I'm enslaving over that hot stove. You are going to eat everything on that plate. Yes, ma'am. Mary, you're going to march yourself down there to Miss Jones' classroom and tell her that I sent you. You are going to apologize to Stuart for hitting him. I don't care if he hit you first. I don't care if he caught what he said about your mama. You are going to march yourself right down there, young lady, and apologize to him. Yes, ma'am. Come here and sit in old Gary's lap and give it a little touch. My anger didn't find you then. Shame did. Where was my anger? Where was my anger? I do not want to suppress my anger. I do not want to be soft. I do not want to glow on water or glide on water or any of that shit. I want to fuel it. I want to love it. I want to buy it a gun. Steve Bannon. Dead. Clarence Thomas. Dead. Who else?
Brent Kavanaugh.
Brent Kavanaugh. This is my business card. Mary Going, serial killer. Brent Kavanaugh. Dead. This motherfucker. My mother paid this guy every week to teach me guitar lessons, and he molested me instead. It took me years to figure out it wasn't consensual. He was like 30 years old. I was 13. I wanted to be Joan Jett, motherfucker! All right, where are all these bodies? Mary, what? I want a divorce. What? But we've been married for 23 years. But I love you. Motherfucker! Do I have to forgive you in order to stop being in all this pain? Motherfucker! Why couldn't you be soft? Why do I have to be soft? Why couldn't business course. Merry-going. Serial killer. I loved it. It felt so good. So right, so justified. Heroic. But it was killing me too. Now, I just fucking meditate. And there's the soft one. The one with long white hair. Who floats on water and glides on air.
Awesome.